Okay, if you're like an amazing stock picker, you would have beat this thing. What about Apple? Yeah, Apple also doing quite well. Okay, so if you chose, some specific stocks, you would definitely beat this thing. However, this one's a little bit more diversified. So I think it's a very interesting play. The problem though with this one, so let's do the math, right? So 24,000%. That means if you had put your money in 2010 February and held it until today, you would have 247 times your money. So let's say if I had I put in a $2,000 account, right? This is why I think it's pretty interesting. $2,000 account times 247, that would be about $500,000 almost, right? So that's going from 2010 until today. It's about a 15-year time period. If you had held that for 15 years, you would have turned $2,000 into about $500,000. That's insane, right? So this thing's pretty crazy. The biggest problem with this thing, though, and the reason why we made an algorithm around it, is because it has these really, really big drawdowns. Like this is scary. Like just looking at a chart here, right? Let's say you had your money in here, you're up to 70, $80, right? In 2021 November. And then the bear market comes along. You go from $85, $88 at its peak all the way down to $17 at the bottom. That is one hell of a drop. Let's say from $90 to $17, right? What is that? An 80% drop, something like that. Pretty wild. Really, really big drops.